City is now going to see some restrictions lifted, but business owners are going to have to hold tight just a little bit longer.
Yeah, on March 26th, the city plans to ease some of its COVID rules. Before this, the city bounced back and forth between phases during its reopening process. On June 8th of last year, the city entered phase 1. Then just a few days later, it went into phase 2. But it went back to phase 1 in December. At one point, it was the only jurisdiction in our area banning indoor dining completely. Then Mayor Brandon Scott announced some new phase 1 restrictions last month.
All right, WMAR 2 News' Eddie Kadam was at the mass vaccination site in Baltimore City Community College this afternoon as the mayor rolled up his sleeve and took a shot. And he gave us another update. Eddie.
Mayor Brandon Scott joined more than 100,000 people now vaccinated in Baltimore City. He says he decided now was the time because he wanted to show people it's safe and smart to get the shot.
All of us want to be, come next fall and winter, cheering on the Ravens as they send Tom Brady home and make sure that we win the Super Bowl. If you want to do that, get the vaccine. We know that this works. It's been proven. It's safe. It doesn't. We have seen that tried across the country. We have to get vaccinated.
Before getting the shot, the mayor announced he will ease restrictions to 50% capacity on Friday, March 26th at 6 a.m. This includes restaurants, places of worship, shopping malls, and other businesses. And outdoor dining can move to 75% capacity as long as all four sides of the tents are open. The Restaurant Association of Maryland and restaurant owners have criticized the mayor's timing as neighboring jurisdictions have already moved to 50% capacity or more, and the state mandate by the governor was put at 100% capacity.
When people get sick across this region and state, they end up in our hospitals, meaning that they are putting our residents who work in those hospitals at risk to COVID.
The city health director says they're going to start evaluating changes more frequently.
We're also going to begin reviewing the data to evaluate reopening or restrictions at more frequent time intervals. This will allow us to rapidly adjust as needed based on the data.
Looking at a 4-week period, positivity rates are down and the death rate has dropped drastically to about 1 person a day as more and more people get the vaccine. In West Baltimore, Eddie Kadam, WMAR 2 News.
All right, thanks, Eddie.